Hey everyone, if the text in your Google Chrome browser looks too small or too large, don't worry, I will show you exactly how to change it in just a few clicks. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now click the three dots at the top right corner, that's the Chrome menu. From there, click on Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Appearance. Here you will see an option that says Font Size. Click the drop-down next to it. You can choose from several preset options like very small, small, medium, large, or very large. Medium is the default, but if things are too tiny, try switching to large or very large, and Chrome will apply the change instantly. Want more control? Scroll down and click on Customize Fonts. Here you can fine-tune the exact font size using sliders. You will find options for standard text, minimum font size, and even different font styles. Just drag the sliders until the preview looks comfortable to your eyes. And if you ever want to zoom in or out temporarily, just press Control and the plus sign to zoom in or Control and minus to zoom out. On a Mac, it's Command instead of Control. You can also reset the zoom level by pressing Control and 0. That's it. Now your Chrome text should be way easier to read or fit more on the screen, whatever works for you. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Chrome tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.